How to fix Facebook an error occurred while sending friend request problem. So if you want to fix Facebook an error occurred while sending friend request problem, then just watch this video. First, what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store, and then you need to go with search and search for Facebook. After searching for your Facebook, if you have any updates on your Facebook, you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your Facebook application for a few seconds, and then you need to just simply go with the app info section. Once you're under app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then you need to go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Once you've cleared the cache, you need to go back, and then now you need to go with the permissions section. Under permissions, if you've not allowed the permissions for your location or your photos and videos or for your contacts, you need to just simply go and allow the permission. After allowing the permission, you need to go back and then restart your device, and it will fix your problem. That's how you can fix your Facebook an error occurred while sending friend request problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.